Hi guys, welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger official channel. And today I will share 3 liquid transition overlay materials and how to edit them. If you are interested in this one, keep watching the video. Start VideoProc Vlogger. Create a new project. Import all the prepared materials together. I will upload these overlay materials to Google Drive for your convenience. First, click this button to add more overlay tracks. Then, drag 2 videos onto the video track. Adjust their durations accordingly. Once finished, drag the 2 liquid transition materials to different overlay tracks. Adjust their timing points. And then select one of them, go to the inspector and click hide to make it fit to a screen. Scroll down to the compositing area and add a screen blend mode. Next, scroll up to add a fade out effect. Now select other materials and add them using the same method. Continue dragging different videos onto the timeline, adjust the durations, and make sure they all fit to a screen. Now, drag the last liquid transition material to the blank track. Add it to align with the intersection timing of the 2 videos. Then, like before, go to the inspector to add a fade-out effect. Adjust its scale and add a screen blend mode. Now, let's enrich your overall video effect. First, open the effect panel in the upper left corner. Find a circular mask effect and drag it to the effect track aligned with the first video. Adjust the duration accordingly. Next, select this clip. Use the split tool to cut it into multiple segments. Then select the first clip. In the inspector, reduce its scale. Next, select the second clip and increase its scale a little bit. Once finished, use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it. Paste it onto the blank track. Find the color icon in the toolbar. Click on it to add a filter to the image. Click Apply to make the adjustment. Next, find the crop icon. Click on it to crop the image. Adjust the box to only frame the left side of the image. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Again, split the clip into several segments. Then select this clip, enter the crop editor panel to adjust the box to frame more of the image. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Now select this clip. Click the crop icon to adjust the cropping area. Once finished, select the last clip. Enter the color and filter editor panel to choose a vivid filter. This completes the effect processing of the video. And finally, select this video. Find the motion icon in the toolbar to add motion effects. At the first frame, click Add Keyframe. Adjust the box to cover the entire screen. And then move the playhead back and click Add Keyframe again. Adjust the size and position of the box to only frame part of the image. Add a speed down curve for it. Continue to create a third keyframe. Slightly adjust the box position and size and add a speed up curve for it. Then create a fourth keyframe, adjusting the box position here. At the last frame, click Add Keyframe to maintain the state. And preview it. Click Apply to apply the adjustment. Now all the video editing is complete. And don't forget to drag a music track to the audio track. Adjust the duration to align with the visuals. And add a fade-out effect. And this completes all the production. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. And if you want to know more about the other tricks, what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye!